In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a content calendar for social media using Google Sheets. We'll start from scratch and end with a nicely organized calendar that helps plan your content efficiently. Let's get started. First, you want to open a blank sheet in Google Sheets. Think of this as your canvas, ready to be filled with your creative ideas. Once your sheet is open and ready, the next step is to type in the date and year. For this example, we'll be using October 2025. This sets the chronological framework around which your content plan will revolve. Now, after you've entered the date, highlight cells across the sheet. You might find it useful to highlight up to cell G. This highlighting marks the space you'll use to display your calendar. With these cells selected, you'll need to go to the Format menu in the toolbar and choose the Merge All option. This merges the selected cells into a single, larger cell, making it a header where the title and primary date information for your calendar will be displayed prominently. With that done, it's time to add the days of the week into the next row. Type each day of the week across these cells, making sure you have Monday through Sunday laid out in order. Once you have your days neatly in place, it's time to fill in the numbers below each day to correspond with the days of your chosen month. Start with the first and continue up to the 31st, or however many days are in the month you're focusing on. Next, consider adjusting the size of the cells to suit your needs. You might want a bit more room if you're planning to include additional details within each box, like hashtags, time slots, or post topics. Just click and drag the borders of the cells to expand them until you're satisfied with the layout. You'll find that you can also get creative with customizing these cells according to the type of content you plan to post. You might, for instance, color code different days or weeks to signify various channels or content types. Maybe one color for Instagram posts, another for Facebook updates, or even a different one for blog posts. This visual distinction helps prevent confusion and keeps your content plan organized at a glance. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating a social media content calendar using Google Sheets. With your calendar set up, keeping tabs on your social media content becomes a breeze. Remember, this calendar is a living document meant to evolve with your ideas and strategies. So revisit and revise it as often as needed to match your creative and strategic growth. Happy planning, and may your content flow as smoothly as ever.